I'm gonna show you how to make the best sweet and salty dessert. Are you ready? Let's go bake.
All right, you're gonna set the oven at 400 degrees. Then you're gonna place aluminum foil on a baking sheet, spray with oil, and place rows of crackers until completely covered. In a medium saucepan, heat 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar, and stir your little heart away. Continuously bring to a boil. And when it gets to this boiling temp, don't touch it for 3 entire minutes. Then you're going to pour that hot mixture over the saltine crackers. Oh yeah, how yummy, just look at it. Now take that spatula to smooth the mixture and make sure that every cracker is covered. Take half semi-sweet mini chips and dark chocolate, and you're going to sprinkle them all over that hot mixture. Now place it in the oven and bake for 4 minutes. I hope you didn't put that spatula away because you're going to need it to smooth the chocolate chips out. Again, make sure all areas are covered. Use half a cup or more of your favorite nuts. I love toasted, finely chopped pecans. Add some salt to the pecans and mix. Sprinkle the pecans and salt on top of the chocolate layer. Here you can get crazy with the toppings. I simply add some chocolate sprinkles. Don't leave your dessert unattended.
What are you doing? We're supposed to put it in the refrigerator. Stop!
Grab that baking sheet and place it in the refrigerator for an hour. This will cause the crackers to harden. Break the crackers into pieces. You can freeze it, refrigerate it for later, but I prefer to serve it right away. Enjoy!